What's going on, gangsters? Welcome to your 200th Android tutorial, the final tutorial in the series. And what we're going to do is we're going to update our APK file on our developer page here. And if we try to go to the APKs here, what is wrong with my mouse? It keeps right clicking for no reason. Alright, this is getting annoying. Stop it. My phone was sitting on the control button there, so that's what was happening. Alright, so if we try and upload, let's say, the new Boston again, so we're just going to go to choose APK, go into the new Boston, try and open that, and upload. It's going to say, we already have this APK uploaded, and it's still version 1, so you aren't really updating anything. So let's just close that and go into our code, and basically let's say you want to add a new, something to our list, another activity or something within our project, and we need to update it to the marketplace. You solve some kind of bug or something that people are having trouble with. So how we change or get an upgraded APK is we're just going to go into the Android manifest. I don't know if you guys saw that or if I went too quickly, but basically there was the version code was set to 1. So anytime we do an upgrade, we're just gonna set this version to like 2 or something like that, and then we're just gonna save it. And again, we have to export it. So we're gonna go to Android Tools, Export Signed Application, and we're just gonna hit Next. And we have to use the same key store and key alias. So we're just gonna say use existing key store, and we're gonna say our password that we set up the last time. That's why it's important to remember these passwords. Anytime you update, you need to have the same password, the same certificate. And the reason we have to sign it to the same certificate is that way, people can't just like upgrade our application if they can hack in. They need to have the same signature or certificate. So we're just going to hit Next, and then we also have to have our alias name, which there's only one alias under our key store. That's supposed to be TNB, but oh well. So that was our alias name. Again, we have to have the same password, or not the same password, but whatever your password was for your alias. Hit Next, and then it says destination already exists. So we're just going to say the new Boston 2 maybe. Hit Save, Finish. And then we can go into our marketplace and say upload APK and choose it. And then we just pick the new Boston 2, which is our upgraded APK. Hit open and upload. And again, now we can actually replace our APK with this new upgraded APK. So we're just going to hit save, and then we have this choice. Again, we want to switch this new code, the version code 2, to active, and it says obviously this is going to replace the currently active one. Is that okay? Hit yeah, that's cool. And then we just have to save it, and there we go. We have our upgraded APK on the marketplace, and when people download it, the new and improved version of our application is going to be what they're downloading. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I know it's kind of simple, but again, just to keep in mind, you need to save your passwords, and you also need to replace your version code. So just keep that in mind as well. And that's pretty much it, guys. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the tutorials. You learned something. Sorry again if I went too fast or too slow or it's too boring or all that stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys have any more questions, feel free to hit me up on mybringback.com or my YouTube channel or something like that. So I'll catch you guys later, hopefully.